weekly analysis for week 1 of October, and we're looking for 5 things in those analysis we are doing. First is the trend. The trend is your friend. The second thing is the last candle. Where did it open and where it's closed? That's valuable information. 3 is the levels. We need to know the weekly, daily, and 4-hour levels. And the third thing is entry. What signal we need to have the market will have to tell us to enter or trade. And the last thing is where to take profit. So let's go to look at the GBP USD, British pound versus the US dollar, to see what happened last week. Here it is. Last week, we see price still in an uptrend. Price is what price did: higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher low. This is the weekly time frame. So price still in an uptrend because the uptrend has not broken yet. So the second thing we have to look at in the higher time frame is the weekly candle. Weekly candlestick closed as a hammer. This is important to us. This is a bullish pin bar, they call it. As you can see, price went all the way down to a daily support, but sellers could not push price lower. Price came back to close higher and give us that bullish pen bar. So expect either, that's what I would expect the market to do, probabilities for price to either, if price gonna break the uptrend, price got to do this. Price got to do this. Here, open, test that resistance level that is where it broke the level last week, the week before last week. So we want to see price does this, come back to test this, and do a low that is lower than the previous low. So price, if price did this, open, go up, this is what we're looking for the rest of the year. Touch that weekly resistance, come down, test that weekly support that's created here, test it. The weekly resistance that's created here, test it to go lower. So that's mean you would break. This is the break of the uptrend. But price might do this. Open, break this, get up here, come back to test this, move up here, test some support here before breaking here to go up. That would be the continuation of the uptrend. So we see the trend is still an uptrend, and the last candlestick is a bullish pen bar, is a hammer. So let's go to daily time frame to see what we see. Daily time frame last week, as we can see here, the 5 candlestick, one for each day. This is daily time frame. Price here gave us a signal. That's Friday 2 weeks ago. Friday right here said, hey, price will open and go down. And what did price do? Price open, went down to that daily. There is a daily support right here. Price get to it, reverse to go up. As you can see in the daily time frame, here are the levels. Okay, we have the weekly level here, another weekly level, a daily level, a weekly level. So for price to break that level, to continue to go up, he has to do it here. Break this, continue to go up, meet those three. You see three EMAs right here, indicators. So you can see this indicator cross. They all bend down for a downtrend. So if I'm in the market, I'm looking like this. I want to be careful because this telling me price might continue to go down. This is daily time frame. So when we go into the 4 hour time frame, we have the levels. Here is the 4 hour time frames. Looking at that, what we see, there is a 4 hour level right here. Let me bring it all the way to the other side. Okay, so we find the levels again. We know the levels and a short see price here. We have a daily level, weekly, a weekly, and a 4 hour time frame. Price did what? Price did this in a 4 hour time frame. Price give you an inverted hammer. This is a bearish pen bar telling you, hey, this is, you can see all three EMAs are down, telling you, hey, price will not continue to go up. And this is a confirmation. You see that? Last week, price gave me a confirmation before price closed that Friday, saying, hey, I will continue to go down. And here's another confirmation right here. Then if I enter the trade here, price will do, it will touch it, come down. It will touch this one to come down here again. This time to do this. That's what might happen. Okay, this might happen, but the opposite might happen. Price might continue to go up to continue the uptrend. But looking at the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame say, I'm not sure about this. So shorter time frame. See, this is what price did. And most likely, you see, price touched that 100 EMA and closed. And this is, you can see, this is a bearish, it's close. This is a bearish pin bar right here, a bearish inverted hammer that telling you, hey, even though we have a confirmation to the bullish confirmation right here, but don't be too comfortable in here because I am going down. In the on the shorter term, price is going down. Can price continue to go down up here? Yes, price can. Down here? Yes, price can. 1 hour time frame. If you are trading, this is signal we're looking for. We know the trend now. We know the last candle. We know the level. We see, hey, here are the signal to enter the market. One right here. Signal to enter. Bearish confirmation. See? And then I'm going to take profit away, exit over here on that level, somewhere here. Look at that. Price fighting, 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 fighting. When price get here, it give me confirmation again. Confirmation. Take it to the EMA, right? Price continue. Hey, here is a 3 candlestick confirmation right here. Join again. Price continue. So when you get here, you see, here's another confirmation. You see, for trade and then to get your profit somewhere around here or all the way up here. So it's, you see, this is what we want to understand. That 5 things we need to understand. This is the GBP, and next week in the shorter, in the 1 hour time frame, you can see price is close to it. If price touch it, I would love for price to open here, come here, touch it, get, if there is confirmation, to buy it down or break this, come back to test it, find confirmation telling you I'm going to continue to go up to take trade. This is a this is multiple time frame analysis. 5 things we look every time: the trend, the last candle, the levels, the entry and the exit signal. You have to enter, get the candlestick confirmation. So this is what we do in the analysis. And looking for next week, we already said what we think might happen. And then when it get to our levels, then we're looking for confirmation, candlestick confirmation. If you don't know how to find the levels, how to find the candlestick, if you don't understand the candlestick, what they are telling you, remember, Technical analysis is the language of the market. So if you don't understand technical analysis, it will be hard to be a consistent trader. And it would be hard to have a good trading psychology. So focus on these, understand them, go to learn more about technical analysis and your psychology. Then you can become a consistent trader.